A banh mi is a Vietnamese version of a baguette sandwich and is beloved the world over. In this plant-forward version of the recipe, the sandwich is filled with a Southeast Asian-inspired mushroom coconut pate, roasted mushrooms, pickled vegetables, and herbs. As I walk you through this demonstration, I'll note how you can make a plant-forward version or vegan version of this recipe with some simple substitutions. We'll start by making the mushroom pate. In a pan, heat some vegetable oil and saute the chopped cremini and portobello mushrooms. Saute until they are deep brown color. Add some roughly chopped shallots, garlic, and ginger, and continue to cook until aromatic. Add the coconut milk and bring to a boil. Over high heat, boil until the liquid has reduced by half and the mushrooms are coated with a thick, creamy gravy. Season to taste with white pepper and fish sauce, or use soy sauce for a vegan version. In a blender, puree the mushroom coconut mixture until smooth. This is our pate. Allow the pate to cool to room temperature, cover with plastic, and refrigerate until you're ready to use. Now, let's make our mushroom glaze. In a small pot, place some finely minced garlic, finely minced shallot, finely minced ginger, finely minced lemongrass, some Thai bird's eye chili, palm sugar or brown sugar, soy sauce, water, sesame oil, lime juice, and fish sauce. Again, this can be substituted with soy sauce. Bring this to a boil and cook for 5 minutes. Remove from the heat and reserve. I have a variety of mushrooms that I've roasted in a 425-degree oven. Here, I have king trumpet mushrooms that I've halved and roasted for 15 to 20 minutes. I also have oyster and maitake mushrooms that I pulled apart and roasted for 10 minutes. You can use any mix of mushrooms, and each variety brings its own unique flavor and texture. Brush the mushrooms liberally with glaze, then return them to the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes. Continue this process, brushing several times with the glaze until the mushrooms are tender and the sauce is nicely caramelized. Now we have all of our components ready to make our sandwich. Spread the mushroom pate on one side of the toasted banh mi bun and mayonnaise or vegan mayonnaise on the other side of the bun. Stuff with the roast glazed mushrooms, pickled carrots and daikon, fresh herbs, here I'm using mint and cilantro, green onions, jalapeno slices, and sliced cucumber. The meaty, sweet, and spicy roasted mushrooms, savory mushroom pate, tangy, crunchy pickled vegetables, and refreshing aromatic herbs make this incredibly flavorful sandwich one of the best the world has to offer.